We're doing a home reno project, and this is the table saw that we are using for our flooring. We are putting in laminate that is 8 inches wide and 4 feet long, and sometimes we need to rip boards, and so we are using this table saw for that. This is an example of the line and the cut that has been made by this table saw. You can see it's very straight. There is a little bit of chipping, but that is pretty normal with laminate, and the important part is that this edge, if it were going onto the floor, would be covered by baseboard. So a minor amount of chipping is not a big deal, and probably if you wanted to do anything about that, you could just get a different blade, but we're using the stock blade that it came with. The finger guard is right here, and that has worked perfectly for us. You can adjust it by angle and height, and the fact that it comes with its own stand is a plus as well. We didn't want to get something too fancy because we know that it's primarily going to be used for this project, and in the future it will only be used for very minor projects. So we didn't want to spring for something very fancy when we knew that it probably wouldn't get used much once this project is complete. And we've been enjoying this table saw. It's been great for us. It has continued to enable us to complete our work as we are doing our floors all on our own. It's been awesome.
You can find a link to this table saw in the description.